Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. The maintenance of the Purifier brake and clutch assembly is a fundamental task for marine engineers because these components control the safe acceleration and deceleration of the high-speed bowl. Because a Purifier bowl spins at thousands of revolutions per minute, any failure in the drive or braking system can lead to severe mechanical damage or safety hazards. To begin your maintenance routine, you must first ensure the purifier is completely stopped and the power supply is locked out to prevent accidental starting while your hands are near the drive belt. Start by inspecting the centrifugal clutch, which is designed to allow the motor to reach full speed before gradually engaging the heavy bowl. Remove the clutch cover and examine the friction pads or shoes for wear. If the friction material has worn down to the metal backing, or if the pads are glazed and smooth, they will slip excessively, causing the bowl to take too long to reach operating speed, or preventing it from reaching speed altogether. Use a coarse sandpaper to lightly roughen the surface of the pads and the internal drum to improve grip if they are only slightly glazed. Check the tension of the clutch springs, as these ensure the shoes retract fully when the motor stops. If a spring is broken, the shoe may drag against the drum during startup, leading to overheating and premature wear. Clean any dust or debris from the clutch housing using a vacuum or compressed air while wearing a mask to avoid inhaling friction dust. Next, focus your attention on the friction brake, which is used to stop the bowl quickly during an emergency or for routine cleaning. A worn brake can significantly increase the rundown time of the machine, which is dangerous if there is an internal imbalance. Inspect the brake lining for thickness and check the mechanical linkage for free movement. If the brake uses a manual handle or a pneumatic cylinder, ensure that the pivot points are well lubricated and that the return spring is strong enough to pull the brake pad away from the bowl when released. If the brake pad stays in contact with the bowl during operation, it will cause massive heat buildup and could potentially melt the drive belt or damage the vertical shaft bearings. Always check the alignment of the drive belt after working on the clutch assembly. A misaligned belt will cause vibration and wear out the friction surfaces unevenly. When reassembling, ensure all fasteners are tightened to the correct torque and that the safety guards are securely replaced. Before putting the unit back into service, perform a trial run and measure the time it takes for the bowl to reach full speed and the time it takes to come to a complete stop using the brake. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.